Hi, I'm Amber at WTI. If you're looking for a new dress that is nice and soft, stretchy, and is going to feel amazing, and maybe if you're running it for maternity reasons, like it's supposed to be, then you're gonna love this dress. This dress is so stretchy. The high elastic fabric material just makes this so comfortable to wear all day, every day. This is a very versatile dress. You could wear it in the springtime on its own, or you could wear it in the fall or winter like I have been, with a long cardigan, some leggings, some heels, really dress it up. I love the length of this. It is the perfect length for me, and the size is a really good fit. So I am about 190 pounds and about 5'9", and the XL fits me perfectly. So the ruching at the side here, the detail is very nice. This really helps in the dress to expand. So this will expand quite a lot, but as it expands, it'll go right over your belly. So it will really emphasize your belly. So whether you wear it for maternity or you wear it just to be a comfy dress like I do, this is a really great dress, a really great find, and I am super happy with it. And that is my point of view.